In this video I'm going to show you the 6 best websites that every content creator should be using. Whether you are a YouTuber, TikToker or just building your brand, these 3 tools will seriously level up your game. Let's start with a tool that instantly upgrades your visuals and adds professionalism to your videos. Have you ever scrolled through Instagram or YouTube and wondered to yourself, how do some creators make those stunning social media banners? Well, it turns out they are not designing everything from scratch. On videofx.com you can find tons of different ready-to-use templates for social media, like YouTube subscribe banners or follow buttons on Instagram. To create your banner you just have to pick one. I'll pick for example this one and click on it. Now you will see this window. Here you can adjust your banner to your needs. You can add for example your username, number of posts, number of followers, etc. You can also select autofill option here to complete your information automatically. When you are ready, scroll down and click generate, and that's it. Next up, something that every content creator runs into sooner or later: finding high quality stock footage, images or music. Pixabay gives you access to thousands of free stock videos, images, musics and more. Completely royalty free with no attribution required. You can use them for YouTube, Reels or even ads. Just search for what you need. In my case I will pick some video. And I will select for example this one. I will click on it. Now you have to click download here and you can download it in for example HD or even 4K. Seriously, it's that easy. Have you ever thought about how your thumbnail and your title will actually look on YouTube before hitting publish? With Thumblytics you can preview your title and your thumbnail in the actual YouTube layout, desktop and mobile, to ensure they stand out. Just drag and drop your thumbnail here and enter your title here. Thumblytics will display your content as if it would appear on YouTube's homepage or mobile feed. This helps you verify if your thumbnail and your title are actually visually appealing and attention-grabbing across different devices and screen sizes. It's a simple yet powerful tool to ensure your content performs well. If you are a creator active on multiple platforms and want to make it very easy for your audience to contact you or find your content, this next tool is essential. Linktree allows you to have only one link in your bio, by letting you share everything in one simple clickable hub. Whether it's your Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Spotify or X, Linktree keeps it all in one easy place. It's super fast to set up, works great on mobile and is fully customizable. To add your social media link to your Linktree, you just have to click here plus, and I will select for example Instagram. And now as you can see here, you will be able to connect to your Instagram account. Here you have to just log in and you will pin your Instagram to your Linktree. Once you connect your social media to your Linktree, it will show up here. This is an example of my Linktree page. This is how it looks on desktop and this is how it looks on mobile. We can also edit our Linktree site by going here, design, and as you can see here, we can pick a lot of different types of themes. I will pick for example this one. And as you can see here right now, we edited our homepage. One of the very cool features that Linktree offers is option called Insights. Here you can track how many people are clicking each link, which is great for figuring out what your audience cares about the most. To sum up, if you want to look more professional and make it easier for people to connect with all of your stuff, Linktree is a perfect tool for you. Now let's talk about fonts. Have you ever watched a video with amazing captions or a thumbnail and wondered how they get that cool look? Well, chances are they are not using default fonts. DaFont.com is one of the best places to find free fonts for your thumbnails, videos or even logos. You can browse by style, like fancy, techno or gothic for example. Just search for something specific here. This site also lets you preview your text in real time, so you can see exactly how your caption will look before downloading. To check the preview, I will just pick some font. I will go, for example, with this one. And as you can see here, we can type our text here. I will write my name, for example. And I will click submit here. After a few seconds, as you can see, here we previewed our text. To make sure the font is 100% free to use, just check the license. It's shown here, above the download button. You can also filter completely free to use fonts. In this case, I will pick some category of font. I will pick, for example, old school. And here you just have to click here, more options, and select 100% free here and click submit. Once you find a font you like, just click here, download, open your downloaded file and open your font file here. Click install here, reset your software, and after a moment you will be able to use it. Ever wanted to drop in a sound effect, like a whoosh, pop, or even something funnier like but didn't want to dig through YouTube or sketchy download sites? MyInstants is a huge library of one-click sound effects, and yes, it's as simple as it sounds. You can search for anything, memes, transitions, reactions, and preview them instantly just by clicking the buttons. Found something you like? Just click on your sound effect and click download here. No login, just sound effects ready to go. Perfect for adding energy and humor to your edits in seconds. So those were the 6 best websites that every content creator should be using. Tried any of them before, or maybe you've got your own secret tools? Drop them in the comments, I would love to check them out. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more tools, tips and content creation, aka editing knowledge. In the meantime, I will leave here and here links to my previous videos, so feel free to check them out. Take care and see you in the next one.